Welcome to the Visual Mailing Editor, or as we like to call it, the VME. Today we'll be walking you through an overview of the editor and highlighting some of the customization capabilities you now have at your fingertips. Let's get started. The Content tab is where you will build or add elements to your template. You can choose a preset theme and change all of the colors and style settings at once. The Properties tab is where you can customize individual blocks of content or the full email itself. And here, at the bottom of your screen, is where you will set the subject line of your mailing. Now, let's go through the content blocks and use a few to build our email. We will start by adding a text block to our mailing. You can see the different blocks here, each with preset columns. Choose your block and drag it to your template, dropping it where you would like it to appear. Once you drag a new block to the template, you'll see the options switch over to the Properties tab where you can edit individual properties. Here, you can begin to adjust the settings, such as the color of the headline, the alignment of the headline, or even remove it altogether. To edit the body of the text, click inside the text box here, and your editing controls will show above. Then, treat it like any other text editor. Next, let's add images to this template. You can see there's a few different preset layouts for images. I'm going to select one and drag it to my mailing. From here, you can either upload an image, such as your logo, or you can choose from hundreds of thousands of royalty-free images available for you to use. Once you have added your image, you can then set the destination link. This is where a subscriber will go if they click the image. You can also choose nowhere, which means nothing will happen if the image is clicked. Adding video content to your mailing works a lot like adding an image block. Grab the block with the alignment you prefer, drag it to your template, and then enter the source URL of the video. The Automated Content tab is where you can add content automatically generated from an RSS feed. This would be your blog updates, store updates from Etsy or Shopify, or your newest social updates for Pinterest, Instagram, or YouTube. Let's add a 2-column block here, and we'll enter our site URL into the Properties tab. You will see it pulls the latest 2 blog posts. You can adjust the settings for this blog here in the Properties tab. This is a great way to keep your readers aware of your latest updates and cross-promote content from other channels. At any time, when working through your mailing template, you can remove a content block by selecting the trash can icon. Let's walk through a few other items you can easily add to your mailing. Adding a button is a great way to create your call to action. Encourage your readers to click through to your site to read more, or to click through to a shopping cart to make a purchase. You can edit the design of the button here in the Properties tab. Change the text of the button here. Just click and edit just like you would in a text box. Click on the destination link to enter the URL of your destination. You can also set an additional action to take place when the reader clicks your button here. You can easily upload your own social icons or use a set of default but editable icons available to you in the editor. Remove the icons that you don't want to keep and add the links to the ones that you do using the custom URL. You can increase the number of actions available to your subscribers by using the menu option. Just drag the menu block to your template and then edit. You can edit the text of each option and the link to which it points. We've gone ahead and included several common options, but you can link to any custom URL by using the custom URL link. If you have too many options available, just use the trash can to get rid of it. We aren't going to walk through every option available, but we would like to call your attention to the hidden text option. Drag it to the top of your email and use this in conjunction with your subject line to grab your reader's attention before they even open your email. This text won't be visible when the email is opened, only as part of the preview in their inbox. The personalization section is where you can use your custom fields to personalize your emails. And if you are interested in monetizing your mailings with our one-click advertising solution, you can add these units to your mailing here, after enabling ads in your account. For advanced customization and working with HTML coding, you can incorporate both mailing shortcodes and custom HTML into your template. As you make changes to your template, FeedBlitz automatically saves your work. You can access these here with versions, and you can force a save by clicking Save. If you would like to be able to access this template from any list, use the Save As option, give it a name, save the copy to your template library, and it will be available in the template editor using the lower left button, Template Library. Set your subject line in the bottom toolbar. If you want to open a previously created mailing, you can do so using the Open option. You have access to both desktop and mobile previews, also here in the bottom toolbar. Don't forget to test your emails. You can send them to yourself or your team members so you can see what they look like in your inbox. And of course, we have undo and redo options to help you if you accidentally make a mistake. And that takes you through an introduction to our visual mailing editor, or the VME. Remember, you can start all single mailing campaigns by using one of our preset templates, with various layouts of content blocks already in place for you. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact our support team or check out the knowledge base here. Thank you.